outages happen. The best thing we can do is be prepared. Our comfort and safety rely upon having a steady and dependable source of electricity. When the power goes out, you need the peace of mind that comes with having a reliable generator standing by. And there's no better choice for home power backup than DuroMax. Easy to set up, easy to move, and easy to use. DuroMax generators are home transfer switch ready and designed as a portable alternative to traditional standby units, which are expensive and can carry hidden installation costs. Keep your air conditioning, heating, water pumps, refrigerators, washers and dryers, lights, and electronics operating with DuroMax. DuroMax dual fuel generators run on either gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Compared to gasoline, liquid propane runs cleaner, lasts longer, costs less, and in an emergency situation can be more readily available. Offering power and versatility, DuroMax generators are built with all-metal construction, all copper windings, and a powerful DuroMax engine. All 8,000 watt and larger DuroMax generators are equipped with electric start, low oil sensors, voltmeters, extra large fuel tanks, and a fully loaded power panel. Integrated 30 amp and 50 amp outlets make these units transfer switch ready and perfect for home power backup. For an added level of safety and security, the all-new HX series features our CO Alert technology that shuts down the generator if an unsafe level of carbon monoxide is detected. Approved for use in all 50 states, DuroMax generators are both EPA and CARB certified. DuroMax is the portable solution to traditional home power backup. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2500 watt ultralight portable inverter. Weighing less than 40 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in its class, perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. This inverter comes standard with two 120 volt household outlets, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a dual port USB adapter for easy charging on the go. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide double the power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2500 watt ultralight portable inverter, your perfect choice for quiet, clean power wherever you need it.
Looking for a quieter, better, smarter portable generator? The IQ3500 from Generac is quieter and more powerful than the competition. It's ideal for work with a durable steel enclosure and easy portability. It's ready for play with advanced inverter technology that delivers ultra-quiet performance. It's made for home applications with hassle-free startup, and with its advanced power rush technology, you can do more with less. With true power technology, the IQ3500 provides clean, stable power, ideal for sensitive electronics. And its paralleling capabilities allow you to take on powerful tasks. Get smarter with the new IQ3500, available now from Generac.